Hello everyone, welcome to another day of my life. It's been quite some time since I did a real vlog. The last video was something I didn't want to do, but we'll leave that alone. Yeah, I'm headed out for a ride today. It's 44 degrees already. I think I may have overdressed, but it wasn't 44 when I started getting my stuff together, so we'll just see what I got to do about that. Today is another ride with the Brass Monkey Motorcycle Riders. I'm not sure how many of us are going to show up. The last ride, another guy showed up, and I wasn't here for that ride, so I missed that one. But I'm on this one. Happy to be back on the bike. Hope everyone's doing well. I thought I set this up to do some back roads, but I'm not sure if it's going to do what I wanted it to do. Talking about the GPS. So we shall see.
Eventually.
Alright, well here we are, John and I believe he's behind me. Just had dinner here, and I think it's Lavelle's place here in West Point, Virginia. And we're on our way home, and I found a spot up here where I am going to get a photo. It's actually an attorney's office, but it's in an old gas station that it looks like they've renovated. It looks really cool. It's a nice day. It's almost 50 degrees. It's in the upper 40s anyway. A beautiful day to ride. I was happy to get out and enjoy a lunch. We sat outside. That's how nice it was. We sat outside and had lunch. So check this out. We are at this this is actually a law office here, and it's an old gas station that I don't know what year these pumps are from, but it's pretty cool. So I convinced John to stop so I could get some photos. We're getting ready to head out now. He's going to turn off before I do, so that's our plan. So we had another successful Brass Monkey Motorcycle Riders ride today. It wasn't that cold though. I mean, this is supposed to be a all year riding group, and we were hoping to do some cold weather riding, but the coldest we got today was 40 something. So I'm following John. He's going to peel off before I did, like I said, so head back to his house. It's a gorgeous day today here in Virginia. If you didn't get out and ride, you missed out. That's all I got to say. Need a tractor? When I left the house, it was in the mid 40s, and I'll tell you what I'm wearing. So I got the Climb Badlands Pro gear on. I have my Forma Tall Adventure boots. I have some Climb socks. I can't remember what they're called. I'll put it below. I have a merino wool base layer on under my Badlands Pro pants, and I have a merino wool base layer on for a top, and then I have a freeze out, I can't remember the model, jacket, and then the Climb Badlands Pro jacket. And I've got these new Garmin wired heated gloves that I wore that I had plugged in on the way down this morning, that worked out great, but I don't have them plugged in right now, and I got the heated grips on. I didn't use the heated grips this morning, but the gloves work great. It's just not cold enough to need them again, so I unplugged them and put the wiring away. I still haven't figured out a good way to wire the jacket. So if anybody out there has a Climb Badlands Pro jacket and you have heated gloves that are wired, fill me in on a trick to getting your jacket wired up. I mean, you just drape it through there and let them hang as they will. I'm a little neat freak when it comes to some of that stuff, and I don't like a bunch of wires dangling everywhere. So if you've got a tip or a trick for that, I'd be more than happy to know it. Not much else is going on. Yeah, I know I've been away for a while, but things happen. You know, you get in a funk. You just don't want to make a video, or you don't have nothing to video about. So that's my excuse. But I'm on a bike today. It was a fun day, good ride. And Craig, if you're watching this, John was talking, he saw your comment about you riding with us, so we might be trying to figure out a location that's about halfway between the two of us, which would be about a 100-mile trip for both of us to make to a central location, maybe have a meal and head on back our separate ways. But so well, John said he's going to look into figuring out a ride that we can meet halfway somewhere, so that'd be fun. Well, today was another successful ride of the Brass Monkey Motorcycle Riders, and it was again John and myself were the only two that were here, but it's fine. I think Brian is signed up for the next ride. I had to look at his schedule to find out when that's going to be. That's about one a month. It's always on a Sunday, so that should be cool. On his big brand new shiny Indian. So looking forward to that. I was hoping he'd be on this ride too. I haven't met him in person yet. We've talked back and forth for some time on Instagram. But we went to West Point, Virginia, to a little burger joint called Lovells, L-O-V-E-L-L-S. I had the volcano burger, which was pretty tasty, and some fries, some coffee, and a glass of water. So it was a pretty nice little meal. Headed home now. I didn't know what to say on this vlog, so it's all over the place. I'll try to chop something together, and yep, that's about it. I'll be safe. Thanks guys for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really, really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, and the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, this here most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig sent me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. And that's what YouTube is all about in my book. So you guys be safe. Thanks again. Really do appreciate you guys watching.